React provides a createElement function to declare what we want to render to the DOM. But instead of using createElement directly, you can use JSX. To create a component, you only need to write a function with a name that starts with a capital letter. Now, you can use that function in JSX. You can assign attributes, and React will pass them to the component as parameters. Inside JSX, you use curly braces to wrap dynamic data. In fact, you can wrap any JavaScript expression. To add event listeners, you pass a function to the corresponding attribute. To add state to a component, there's the useState function from React. It gives you a function to update the state. When you call it, React will know it needs to re-render the component. To render a list, you can map each list item to an element using JavaScript. React only needs a unique key for each element to find out when something changes. If you want to compose components together, React passes the nested elements inside a special property called children.